to a separate agency under a separate act.
We've got some of the most vulnerable people in the healthcare system. We've got people having heart attacks, strokes, a cancer patient coming in, and the last thing that they need while in EMS care is to be exposed to a potentially deadly disease.
The justices will issue an official written decision at a later date.